snowstorm and use what they gave us before. So this in case there is another snowstorm. We lose power, we can't cook, we can still have food. I like juices and fruit. It's frozen fruit like you buy at the store, you know. And a bunch of crackers. I think there's probably 10 of these packs. Crackers. And we got tuna. Got how many tunas? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tunas. No, 3 tunas and 1 chicken in these little packs. You know what I'm talking about. And these are good because we don't have to have heat. If electricity goes out, we can still get something to eat, along with the crackers and the fruit and juice. I mean, that's a nice thing to have on hand. And they also gave us a can of Crider white turkey, too. And they also give you, I'm just hitting in this and I'm not going to count anything or anything like that. Just sort of give you a quick overview. You know, there's milk, crackers. These are milk packets. Instant milk. Peanut butter. Graham crackers. Raisins. I may have overlooked something in the box. It's so big. But anyway, this is for in case of emergency, which is grand. Now, this is a regular box that I receive over here. And I get a quart of milk, that Highland, which is the best. It's from Arkansas, it's good milk. Highland milk. And I get a little individual carton milk, little one. I think it's 8 ounces or something. And then I also get little chocolate cookies. Now this is for the week. And they last for me just right. And right here's a frozen chicken breast with gravy. And it says baked chicken breast with tomato gravy. And let me tell you, that may not look great, but let me tell you, you put this in the oven at 350. My oven sort of stays on the cool side, so I cook mine at about 355 or something ridiculous like that. And instead of 25 minutes, I run mine for 35 minutes, according to how, when it's done. It's according to what the oven does, you know, you never know. And let's see, that, and I got chimichurri chicken breast, the patty, with all the vegetables. Let's see what we've got with this one. Stewed tomatoes, and I'm telling you, the stewed tomatoes are really good. Black beans and corn. Sometimes I put a little hot sauce on all of this, just to lift it up a little bit. And this one's pork patty with mushroom gravy. Now these vegetables they put in here are so good. They're fresh frozen. So when I take them out of the oven, or before I put them in the oven, sometimes I put a little half spoon of jelly and butter on the vegetables. Just pops it up. I mean, pops it up. Except I wouldn't put jelly on spinach, okay? And here's double carrots. We've got chicken patty and New Orleans style rice. Now this is pretty good too. Well, they're all pretty good. The sweet potatoes are real good in here. Now I really pumped them up with some brown sugar. Yeah, I do, with some butter. Makes it really good. I think I mixed up these with, I was trying to make room in my freezer for all these food. But I'm down to 2. I mean, it really came out really even this time. Usually it's right at 1 left before they come, but today it was 2 because I made a pot of soup. And I made a pot of soup using these. Yeah, I took one of them that had the hamburger patty, and I broke it up and put some tomato sauce in it. No, I think I used ragu with, no, not ragu. Ragu? No. Anyway, some kind of tomato sauce seasoning. Put it in there with some water, and then I put these fresh frozen vegetables in there. And also, believe it or not, when I made that soup, I used the potatoes. I don't know how they freeze potatoes, but I've never been successful in doing it. But they had potatoes chopped up, and I stuck those in that soup, and they just like I had chopped them up myself, put them in that soup. It was a good soup, by the way. This was ham and white beans, corn, and mixed greens. This one is excellent, especially with one of these cornbread muffins they give us. They give us a couple, I think, a week. And the spaghetti and meatballs, it is good. Now, I do pump it up a little bit with some Parmesan and season it to my taste. And then when it's all done, I take my bread and butter it with garlic and put it in the oven and make garlic toast. Yep, and with these vegetables and with these huge, I mean, they're huge meatballs. I don't know how many ounces, but anyway, it makes a decent meal, especially when you put it on a plate, when you have everything laid out. Only thing you need is salad, and sometimes we get salad greens here, you know. Anyway, and this one, I love this one. This is hamburger patty. Now, this must be from Caroline. They cook, I guess they cook this because it's different. These say tradition and these say hamburger patties. And tater tots and carrots. Now, you pop that in the oven with that hamburger bun they give us, along with the, the bread that they give us. They give us 4 slices of bread, I think. But anyway, you put that on that bun, a little mustard, sliced onion. You got a hamburger. Yeah, whatever you like to put on it, that really is good. And I love their meatloaf. It's really, really good. 1, 3, 4, 5. I think I pulled out more than they brought me out of the freezer today. What I was, as I said, I was trying to make room in the freezer. And because I keep ice in there and my cold packs in there. And just like everybody else does, But this worked out great. And then we get frozen drinks, grape, apple, pears, frozen pears, diced peaches. These are all frozen and very good. Now I know you can buy these at the store. And they're good. Anyway, they're good. And more juice. We always get plenty of juice for the week. And then, of course, here's my hamburger bun for my hamburger. And then these are my bread, slices of brown bread. There's 4 of them this week, so that's good. Next 4 days. Crackers. Chocolate cookies, which are great. And these are really good. I love these, especially apple cinnamon, fruit, and grain. I think it's a breakfast bar. I love them. They're really good. I love anything apple, so there you go. And then you also get these little things of butter. So, I think there's 5 of them. I think so. I don't know. I may be perfect on the count. But what I do find that when I get the food, I have enough for the week. And I love it. And I don't have to stand over the stove and cook because I'm a disaster. I put things on fire and my alarm goes off. I've been written up for burning things. Because the alarm goes off, everybody comes running, and we're not supposed to cook if we can't. But this really makes it nice because oven, I just turn on that oven, stick these in, take these wrappers off, put it in there, stick my toast in with it to brown it, or I put the toast in the toaster. I just got me a new toaster, by the way. Ron, you gave me one, but anyway, I got a new toaster. And all I have to do with I buy my own coffee and creamer, and you know, so there are some things. Of course, this is Meals on Wheels. I'm not going to sidetrack. Now, with these Meals on Wheels, oh, I love this cookie here. I'll eat that today. No, maybe, well, I don't. But it gives you a whole meals plan and what you've got. And let's say we have pork patty with mushroom gravy, cinnamon, sweet potatoes and green beans, spaghetti meatballs with corn and broccoli, machara chicken breast patty, stewed tomatoes, black beans, corn, homemade meatloaf, potatoes, and winter blend vegetables, chicken patty and New Orleans style rice with 4 seasons vegetables and cinnamon flavored sweet potatoes. Do love their sweet potatoes. Then I get 4 slices of brown bread, 1 corn muffin, 5 margarine cups, 1 apple juice, 1 grape juice, 1 peach cup, raisin pack, an apple cinnamon cereal bar, and a Star Crunch cookie. And then it tells you in here what you eat. Like day 1, you get whole wheat bread, margarine, butter, apple juice, and Star Crunch cookie. And then it has a meal number, meal 086. So then you have to look on this side, 086, 087, I mean. And then, of course, on this week's list is pork patty with mushroom gravy and cinnamon, sweet potatoes, and green beans. So it tells you what you should eat every day. But anyway, that's our Meals on Wheels. I'm grateful for them. It makes my life so much easier because otherwise I'd eat a peanut butter jelly sandwich, or I don't know. You just sort of snack, you know, get a can of soup. You know, you're not eating right. But this really helps me stay healthy. And staying healthy means no hospital. No, no, no. Okay, thanks. Remember, God has you in His hands. And pray for Mother Earth today. Bye-bye. Come back and visit Mima. And subscribe if you would like. Click if you like. I'm just wondering if I can get more subscribers. I don't know. I would love to. Wouldn't that be awesome to know there's somebody out there? Of course, we've got people out there. I mean, people are looking at and visiting and leaving messages. And oh, anyway, I've got off track. These are my Meals on Wheels. These are my emergency kit from CareLink. Perfect. And this is all in Arkansas, Central Arkansas, and I'm sure it's all of the state of Arkansas. Always remember, Arkansas takes care of the people. It's the land of opportunity. Bye.